welcome to this video, and in this video I will share the magic of 6 hats technique. Well, you must be wondering, what is the 6 hats technique now? Well, in our day-to-day life we all face problems. So this 6 hat technique will help us to see things, to see problems into a different angle or into different perspectives. Well, it's up to you all how you want to use this technique in your day-to-day life. But let me say that I have used some of this technique recently and have found it to be very helpful. So I wanted to share with everyone if that helps us to build or to create or to become more creative, to use this 6 hats technique and solve problems in a very different and in a very smart way. So let's go move into what are the 6 hats technique. Well, it is very interesting. So let's hop into it without delaying anymore. Well, before explaining about the 6 hats technique, let me read out a very interesting quote that will help you guide how this technique may help you to solve problem or to see a problem into different perspectives. The 6 hat technique involves looking at problem from 6 different perspectives. By doing this, we can generate our unique ideas and might look into the situation from different points of view, which will help us to generate thoughts and to solve problems in a different way. So without much delay, let me share about the blue hat. Well, the blue hat technique is like to think broadly what is the best overall solution, which means if you see any problem, without jumping into any judgment or without jumping into any solution, first think it in a very broadly. Analyze the problem. What is the best overall solution you can bring it into it? So this is about the blue hat technique. The next is the black hat technique. Use a negative perspective which elements of the solution won't work, which means like if you see a very critical problem is coming into and you are finding it very difficult, so you see what are the negative areas is coming out from that problem so that you can work on those negative areas and you can bring a solution to it. And the next is the green hat technique, is to think creatively. What are the other alternative ways? There are problems which cannot be solved in a very second. You cannot do this. No. Sometimes you have to be very smart in thinking how to solve this problem. So you can use this green hat technique to be more creative and what are some of the other alternative areas that you can use to solve your major problem. The next is the red hat technique. Look at situation emotionally. What do your feelings tells you? This is very tricky. Sometimes we tend to hear things and we cannot decide whether these are rumors, whether these are facts, whether these are stories, and then we have to either use our mind or our heart. So the red hat technique helps us to see things in a very emotional way, and if that any solution out of that, any solution can come out so that you can solve the problem. So this is about red hat technique. The fifth one is the white hat technique. Okay, what the white hat technique says? Look at the situation objectively. What are the facts? Very important, because sometimes without knowing the facts we jump into conclusions and we jump into judgments. So the white hat says look at situations objectively. What are the facts? So if we see the root, if we try to find out the root, then half of your problem is solved. So you can see things in a very objectively and we can see point out the facts that can help solve the problem. And the last one, the sixth one, is the yellow hat technique. Use a positive perspective. Which elements of the solution will work? Yes, it is always necessary and it is always required. Not all problems is to be solved in a very different way, because there are some complex and there are some perplex cases comes up, and then we think, what can we do it? Well, yellow hat is like you see things in a very positive perspective. What are the positive ways so that we can tap those areas and take out those hints, and what are the elements that can help us solve those problems. So these are the 6 hat techniques that often we can use as per looking into problems into different perspectives. But you can use this, because I have used some of these points into different small problems, and it helped me a lot to see things in a very different way, where it changed my perspective looking into problems in a different way. Sometimes it works out very well. So each of these hat techniques, colors techniques, really is helpful. So if you want to use them in your day-to-day life, then it will be your way how you solve your problem. If any of you have used these techniques, maybe you do not know that these are red hats, white hats, green hats or black hats, but you have used this technique, you can always comment below and say that how you have used it, so that we will know how you have used your ways of solving problem in your day-to-day life. And this is one of the personality development. If you get to see that you have the smart way of solving problems and looking into problems in a very different way, and you are doing it. So this is all I have to share with you. If you like this video, then share, and hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye.